Zazu, the monkey's so cute. He's got a mission absolute to teach the kids a thing or two about keeping their teeth shiny and new. Grab your brush and toothpaste tight. Get ready, kids, to do it right. Brush up and down.
Hey there, friends! It's me, Zazu. Guess what time it is? It's toothbrush time. When I wake up, my teeth say, "Brush me, please." Can you say toothbrush? And do you know what goes with it? Toothpaste. Let's brush together and make our teeth super shiny. First, I grab my toothbrush. It's soft and tickly. Then I squeeze a little toothpaste. Just a tiny dot. Plop! Right on top. Can you pretend to squeeze your toothpaste too? Squeeze! Good job! Now let's get ready to brush up, down, round, and round. Now it's brushing time. Up, down, round, and round. Great job! It's okay if you get some toothpaste around your lips like I did. It's actually quite funny. Brush, brush, brush your teeth. Make them clean and bright. Brush the front, brush the back, morning, noon, and night. Can you brush along with me? Go swish, swish, swish. Uh-oh, don't forget the tiny teeth in the back. Open wide, say, "Ah!" Can you do it too? Ah! Haha, I see all your sparkly teeth. Brushing is fun, especially when we make silly faces in the mirror. All done brushing! Now we rinse! Take a sip of water, swish, 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 and spit. Bye-bye, bubbles. Now feel your clean teeth. Smooth and shiny. Can you say clean? Great, your smile looks amazing. Yay, we did it! Our teeth are clean, shiny, and happy. I love brushing my teeth with you, my friend. Every morning and every night keeps our smiles bright. Let's say our magic words. Toothbrush, toothpaste, clean teeth. Thanks for being with me today. See you on my next big adventure.